person was going on a beach, stepped on something very sticky and very sinky. It's called quicksand.
Yeah.
You notice, why don't just wiggle it out? Instead of wiggling it up, he wiggled it down. And then he becomes more worried because he doesn't want to die in some sort of sand sucking human or something.
Okay.
He tried to wiggle again. His face, his body, his entire body is almost consumed. Only his head and arm are sticking out. And when his head reaches the sand, he starts suffocating. All of the dust went into his body. It becomes very full, and then his belly explodes. And then his arm just sinks in, and only like this mga ba makita. Inanira ba makita? Inanira ba makita? And if you see that kind of finger, if you think it's a stick, if you think it's a human arm, then run. You want to know how to survive in quicksand?
How?
Don't wiggle yourself into one.
Mm-hmm.
If you start jiggling yourself, it makes it more easier for the quicksand to swallow you in. So the way of getting out of a quicksand is to just lean back,
Mm-hmm.
and when your legs free open,
Mm-hmm.
you crawl out.
Oh.
Then you crawl out to dry land,
Mm-hmm.
and then boom, you're out of the quicksand.
Oh.
But if one person suffocates from the quicksand, and then there's another hole, he should do this. Swim below. He should like do this, ba?
Which one?
Like this. So he can go to the bottom of the quicksand.
Oh.
If there's like a hole, he would be lucky.
Okay.
There's a hole, but he could be very sticky, so that don't let him touch anything that will stick onto his body, even a scorpion.
Oh.
So do you know how to survive quicksand?
Now I know.
Can you survive a tsunami?
I don't know. I don't know how
So
to
here's
swim.
a tip of how to survive a tsunami.
Oh.
Number one,
One.
stay on high ground.
Ah. Okay.
Tsunami can reach over to 600 meters high, higher than a skyscraper.
Oh, good.
So if you're on a skyscraper, you're in bad luck.
Uh-huh.
But you just have to hold on something that won't break up.
Okay.
It won't break itself apart.
Mm-hmm.
Like palm trees.
Mm-hmm.
Palm trees are attached to the dirt. Dirt doesn't get washed away.
Mm-hmm.
So that's your job, how to do it. How to now you know how to survive a tsunami?
Yeah, I know.
Can you survive an earthquake?
I'm not sure.
So here's a tip for how to survive a tsunami. I know, earthquake.
Okay.
So if the world starts shaking and you're in your office,
Mm-hmm.
here's two questions. Should you run out the buildings that are already getting destroyed?
Okay.
Or you hide under your desk and let the earthquake just end until you get out?
I will run out.
Wrong.
Wrong?
If you run outside the door, you'll get squashed by a big piece of concrete.
Mm-hmm. So,
The
what will I do?
The best way of doing it is hide under a desk. A desk that's strong enough to hold some falling down rickety the hell rocks.
Oh.
So, do you know how to survive?
Yeah. Thanks for your tips, bro.
How can you survive a tornado?
Tornado?
Tornado is the hardest one.
Oh.
Do you know how to survive it?
No. How?
Here are some tips how to survive a tornado. So, in order to survive a tornado, you have to stay below, like, if you see a hole, Mama,
Mm.
if you see like a hole bitaw
Mm.
on the ground, jump there and then lay down because the tornado can suck you there. He has to go inside the hole in order to suck you inside.
Okay.
So, this is how you do it. If there's no holes around you, hold on to an object that it's strong enough to hold a tornado's speed. Mama, tornadoes can grow up to 1,000 length
Okay.
of height.
Wow.
It's already passing the skyscraper.
Oh.
It can, Mama, in a tornado, there's no oxygen. There's
Really?
no oxygen, completely out of oxygen.
Okay.
A lot of people will die. Soon babies will die.
Oh.
Everything that is in the tornado will die.
That's terrible.
Except for insects. They
Mm.
don't need air.
And then?
They just need food.
And then?
Then,
Hmm?
I don't get it. I'm terrified.
Oh.
I'm gonna slide down.
Ah.
But first I gotta get to the other side. My nose is all sweaty. Okay, I hope my butt doesn't get dirty.
Agoy.
Ice.
Ice. Come on, let's go.
Is my butt?
Yes.
There
Super
you go.
duper.
Ow, ow,
Mura kag nakaigit. Di, tanaw, tas layo ko di. Tanawa, sa di layo. Bi, open. Toto, do. Kag nakaigit. Asa man taan ni
Go
mo agi?
forward.
Ah,
Over there, maybe?
wala naman tay. Murag dead end naman eh.
Mama, let's go over here, Mama.
Asa?
I feel like that's not a dead end.
Tanaw,
JP said that's not a dead end.
tanaw na to. Ay. Scary man eh. Kuan man ni siya.
Don't worry, Mama. I'm right behind you.
Mura magsyag dangerous naman eh. Diri.
Mama, it would be fine.
Hmm?
If I were you, I would have just... Whoa, speed down here. Okay, this is definitely dangerous. You're right, Mama.
Okay. Kumani siya imong giingon.
Wow, my chinilas is really getting buff. Thanks for working out, chinilas.
Nabugto jud na ron.
Oh, Jesus.
Kasi na mga snake diri nabuang na.
Huh?
Na snake diri.
Oh, Jesus.
Tanaw sa nato ani ang kalsada. Ay, pwede ra bi. Pwede ra. Ay, no. It's broken man di ay.
This DP said they went here.
So mangita na lang let's find a way na lang. Nakuan.
I'm gonna go over to this one. I feel like I want to know how it works.
Water dam ni siya.
Water dam.
Jam.
Damn it.
Jam it.
Damn it. Okay, so
Wala
how
pa
do I
sila.
turn this thing?
Wala pa water. Ayaw, uy.
How do I turn this? Oh. Okay, so that's how you turn it. Look.
Ah.
So
Kasi
how
mo na siya yung stop sa water.
So we have to like close this first.
Like para mo ka nang mura maawas ang water.
So,
Ay dili man ta kaagi kay kuan man kaayo. Asa man ta mo agi?
so we have to shut
may
this
mama.
first.
Na may mama baka. Ay dili ta. Okay. Oops.
I can't carry my feet anymore. It's just too sticky.
Di man ka mo gamit sa imong hiking boots. Chinilas sa imong gamit.
Hiking boots?
Hiking boots. Oops.
I am getting so dirty here. Good.
Okay.
You should have asked that guy if the mama cow is friendly or not.
Ano man?
Because we could have just walked past him if he said it's friendly, or if he said, malito na, we won't be walking past. Mama, are we going back again?
Now we're going to take another kuan ba? Agianan dito ba? Going back niya, going there, straight. Wala man tayo agianan diha.
How about this way?
Wala lagi. Kanang we don't know how to get there, manggod.
Mama, I could barely move my... November is the starting point. And then next December.
Where's the eye?
I think planet Earth is just like spinning slowly. That's why the sun is just taking its time rising, and then going down. Then the moon. They're just taking their time. They're like playing XOX with his own brother. Nah, I don't know.
The son is playing XOX with his brother?
Yeah, son has a brother.
Oh.
A baby son.
A baby son. A baby son.
Even smaller than us. They're playing XOX. His O is like so tiny that he almost thought that his little brother, he thought his little brother said, "You go first, bigger brother." And then he puts a O on there, and then his brother gets mad, and then he accidentally explodes. It's just a tiny explosion. Like I said, no gravity.
Where'd you get that story?
I just made it up.
So where are you going?
I'm just analyzing the path. I wonder how many years this path has been created. Mama, how do people create these kind of paths?
Wala na nang gilakawan. Wala na di just kuan lang kanang
They walk on it
walk on it
And
every
then-
day.
every day, and then now it becomes, oh my chinelas, it becomes even more ouchy.
Ouchie.
Most of our chinelas doesn't work on this situation.
That's why I told you nga mag-wear ka og shoes. Okay. Basta pita.
Yeah, I should have done that. But it's okay. We'll get washed these canilas right up
Asa man mo siya i-wash?
in the water.
Ah.
Okay, let's go here.
Ayo, kay kuan ka ayo.
No, it's just the same area.
Na. Sige. Diri ra ko agi.
Mama.
Adi ko diya kay kudagan kay sagbot oh. Diri ra oh.
Okay.
Ikaw ra diha.
Bye. See? Literally same path.
Go, go, go.
Look at my chinelas get washed.
May mga kuan. Moist ang dahon.
The moist has like little feathers to like suck the water, so they like drink it.
Oh. Oops.
Oh, I forgot his puppies also.
Oops.
I love these puppies barking sounds. It's so little. It's so little. Oh, Jesus. It's just so little. Good job on creating that voice. So my last is two words.
This
One little puppy that
little guard. Kitty, kitty.
There's one little puppy that likes me. One little puppy that likes me.
Hi. How are you?
Little puppy that likes me. Oh, there's one little puppy that likes me. Here's your brother. I don't know why he likes me. He thinks I'm his mama. Where's Dada? Hamuji buji. Hamuji Dada. Hamuji Dada.
Let's go na, let's go.
He's so cute.
Let's go.
I'll play with you someday.
Hi.
Stop following.
Hi.
He won't stop following.
Hi.
You're such a good trooper. You're such a good trooper. He will still follow you, Mama. Oh no! Oh, he's following you towards to the water. Now he's following me.
Hey.
Why is he following us? I don't know. That doesn't make sense. What is he Oh no, he reached to the bottom. He's not supposed to be up here.
Clean na imong kuan bi. I-clean na imong kuan. Kada ra imo okay, dako kay na imong chinelas oh. Kani imong hamoyin lo ah.
Where'd the little puppy go? Oh, he's such a good chicken. He's such a good puppy. Ah! Ah!
Ayo bas ay imong kuan pajama.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do it.
Dali na. Sagdi lang na siya kay mahadlok siya oh. Mag-follow raman na siya sa imo og kuan. Sige na, i-wash na imo ang kuan. I-wash. Mana? Finish? Ah, sige na.
Follow with my fingers. Look. Ah, you're such a keeper. Girl, pud di siya, mama.
A girl di siya.
She's a girl. So adorable. Look at those face. Oh my god. Yeah, come on,
Kina.
Did we just went here for cleaning?
May tao diri. Sige na, let's go. Manay unod. Giri. Manay unod. Let's find some guava for our piggies. Because our pigs likes guava. Before we head home.
Go!
Before we head home, we're going to find some guava fruits.
Pig.
Oops! Yow!
Yow.
Oh, hala. Over here, oh. Kaya naikuan something, oh. Ah, that's too high. Huh? That's too high. Kanina. Dali.
Idiot.
Okay.
Go!
Hey, yo, baka. Aray.
Go!
Aray ba?
Full speed ahead.
Ah! Nakita ko, bi. Oh, so many guavas. But this na... Ah, daghana kay nangahulog. Uy. Nga, Naabi, oh, nangahulog na lang sila, bi. Nangahulog na lang sila, oh. Kaon naman na siya sa birds. Birds and the bees and the flowers. Tara oh. Ngita tag dako kaayo. Uy, mura mag-harbisan na siguro ni Be. Una ah. I found. Naarabi oh. Kakakat-kat ka ani Be?
Not sure.
Tungtunga daw.
We'll try.
Nabi oh. Wow.
Where is it?
Na. Wow. Kanahan nagsi Georgie ani Be.
Oh yeah. George will love that.
Sige ko ah.
Yeah, there's bees! There's bees! Jesus! There's bees!
Asa man?
I saw their hive!
Oh, oh.
What's that?
Oh. It sting me.
Thank God I was in the back. Mama, where's their hive?
Diha oh. Pero kuan man.
There were three
Ouch.
bees in there. Jesus.
I can't get the guava.
How do we get to it now? How do we see Georgie with the guava?
Ah. I'm sure it will borot. Daghan ra ba unta didto? Naalay bees.
Bees
Bees.
up to I mean bees love
Magita taglain ta. Let's find another guava nga walay bees.
stupid bees. Laser bees. I mean loafer bees, not laser bees.
Oops. Tai. Ano abi oh?
That one definitely has bees.
Now, akong i-lower down ang kuan ha. Ang kanang kaliba. Oh. Oh, guava. Oh, Eli. Dali na. Kuha.
Where?
Ha?
This one?
Ganahan si Georgie ana. Kana lang the big one lang kay.
This one?
Ibilin lang ng usa.
There, we got one for Georgie. There's only one pig left to know. No name.
Look at my eyes.
Oh, that's wait, let me see what this thing is.
Diri. Is it borot?
It's white.
Nawala na. Naapay diri bi. Let's try here.
Wow.
Aray!
Blind or didn't help you?
Doesn't want to look at you.
Hey, mister. Are you blind? Okay, I think that's a yes.
Yes.
Well, let's just go back home.
Huh?
I said we should go back home.
No more?
Home.
Kato na lang nahulog bi oh. Ganahan gyapon si Georgie atong nahulog.
I won't go in there. There's bees.
Kato ba? Di siya pariya itong ni Anhimi mo nga naidaghan nga mga kuan.
Okay, let me try.
Mm.
Go lang enter.
Kato ba gamay? Kana. Okay?
Odd naman eh.
Ha?
Odd.
Giod na. Basing na eh. Na yung mga kids nga nag-una diri kuan. Una abi oh.
Oh.
Sige lang.
Ew.
Pala na.
Okay, let's go back na.
Yatag naman na to sa baboy.
Go back na.
Tara na. Hindi na. Naunta dito pero naa may mga bees and the buzz. Mr. Kauju. Oh yeah. Mama. Is it the mama?
No, it's not.
It's a mama. No, it's mama because now tanawan tutoy. Lay.
Oh.
Oh. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. Igna.
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy all of my part. There's part 3 coming up. Like I said on the previous video when I said there's a new part. We're gonna make new videos. So here we are right now. And then I'm gonna make more videos at the end. So bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Love you.